Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this window of Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. As you see here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. You will search about Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.